sunlight. It's just not very good here. But I was on the way home and I pass this tree every day, and as you see, it's right above the road. And my truck almost hit these guys. And I was like, what's in that tree right there? Because I never seen it before. And look what I found. There's a bunch of them in there. I personally don't have any bees, but I called a friend that does. He's on the way over to get them. We're gonna watch him. We're gonna watch him get this swarm when he gets here. How cool is that? Pretty cool. And I don't know if I can get it, but they're coming from one direction, all of them. Seem to all be coming from one direction. Back in through there somewhere. And there's none leaving. They just keep adding. Well, I think there was one just left there, obviously. And when he's hit, the guy I called is going to be here in a minute, and we're going to videotape him taking this swarm right here. That is just so cool. So pretty. Those ones doing the waggle dance right there. Those ones right there seem to be. See him waggling in there? Look at him. You should see this one I got on video right here, Andrew. He's in there doing the waggle dance, and everybody's following him.
What's the waggle dance?
I reckon that's what they call it. Well, you got a bee vac?
I do, but I'm just going, like you said, try to knock them down in.
Yeah. They're not very aggressive at this point in time, are they?
That's what you think, but I got stung by one yesterday right here.
Did you?
Yeah.
I'm backing up then. I'm not
They
allergic.
don't usually sting when they're...
Ah, nice.
Are they flying out?
No, he's got a screen on the bottom there. I had to get that for him.
They'll go back up there, the other ones. We'll wait a little bit.
We're not going to wait a little bit. We're done. I'm not getting there.
Oh, feel it.
You think you got him? You think you got the good
Got all
one?
I'm going to get. Yeah, there's not going to be a whole handful left.
I mean, you think you got the queen out of that?
Oh, I'm sure it did, yeah. There's not hardly anything up on there.
They'll probably know if you sit up there, they'd come try to get in it.